Hello everyone. If your Lycamobile data is not working even though you have the signal, don't worry. This is a very common issue and usually need easy fixes. So first of all, you just have to open the settings of your device. In your settings, you just have to look for the option of the airplane mode. When you are able to find the airplane mode, simply turn the toggle button on. Now after doing this, wait for 10 seconds and turn the airplane mode off. So this is going to basically clear any kind of temporary connection glitches. You can also find the airplane mode on the notification bar. So you just have to swipe down and do this step. Now if the data still isn't working, the APN settings are the most likely cause. So you just have to open the settings of your device again. In the settings, look for the option of the mobile network settings. In the mobile network settings, you just have to simply tap on the SIM card, and here you just have to look for the option of the APN. So make sure that the APN matches Lycamobile's required settings. The incorrect or the missing APN details will completely block the internet access. If needed, you can create a new APN using the Lycamobile's official values for your country. Then you save it and select it as active. Now after changing the APN settings, always restart your device. So this forces the network configuration to reload. Even with the perfect settings, the data won't work without an active plan. So you need to verify that your data pack is active and check there is any remaining balance or validity. Now you can also open the network mode settings and you can switch between the 4G, 3G, automatic or 5G. Sometimes forcing a different mode also restores the connectivity. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.